Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is the middle of May already. It is May 16th, week number 5 for QSU Institute of Technology, English 7D presentations. We don't have a lot of things that you have to submit this week. Basically, you have only one assignment, and that is to send in your improved manuscript. Now, for this manuscript improvement, I want to show you a bit of software called Grammarly. We're going to be looking at that a little bit after I do the Moodle explanation. And I also want to talk to you about your previous videos from last, or should I say 2 weeks ago. So this video, your self-intro video, I finally had a chance to mark those this weekend. So if you haven't checked yours yet, you should check into it right now. You'll probably find it here. Click here, and then it'll tell you that the assignment itself has already been modified. There's comments down here, submission comments. Take a look at it, and you can take a look at my grade. A lot of you got comments about how you're holding your camera or how you're speaking, and I want to go over all of those comments this week to give you a chance to do a little bit better on the next video that you have to do based on the manuscript that you did for the important person or thing. So after we do the important person or thing manuscript improvement, I want to talk to you about your previous videos, and then we're going to be doing some fluency exercises today. Okay, so not a lot to do today, but a lot to go over. I want to show you Grammarly. I want to make sure that you understand your manuscript improvement assignment, and I want to go over your videos from a couple of weeks ago. If you have any questions, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay, thanks very much, everyone.